Be 2 weeks ready. Water Plan, Activity 17. Follow along on Toolkit, page 71.
Activity 17. Learn how to remove water from a water heater tank. Water can be removed from a water heater tank if you have safe access to it. Water heaters typically range in size and can hold 30 to 80 gallons of water for drinking, cooking, and hygiene. Removing the water is not difficult, but requires great care and is best done by practicing in advance to be sure you do it safely. Watch this how-to video on YouTube from the Regional Water Providers Consortium, based in Portland. This resource also offers downloadable instructions that can be hung from your water heater for quick reference. The following information is excerpted from this source. Step 1. Gather supplies. Gather this list of supplies to safely remove water from your water heater tank. Have them readily accessible to your water heater during an emergency. Flashlight, screwdriver, towel or rag, thermal gloves like an oven mitt, safety glasses, coffee filters, and a sanitized container, a large bucket, is best. Step 2. Locate the water heater. Water heaters are usually located in a basement or garage, in freestanding homes, and in closets of apartments and manufactured homes or trailers. Step 3. Turn off the water supply to your place. Emergency water shutoff valves are usually found in the basement, crawl space, garage, or outside by the home's foundation. Use this valve to turn off your water supply. Taking this step, especially after an earthquake, could help to ensure the water remains in your tank and that its quality is not compromised and unsafe to use. Step 4. Turn off the water heater's power source. This step is crucial to ensure your safety. For electric water heaters, shut off the water heater's power by flipping the correct switch on your electrical panel. Take time to correctly identify the right circuit breaker beforehand. If it's not yet labeled, do that now. For natural gas water heaters, locate the on-off switch on the water heater and turn the knob to the pilot setting. Do not turn it completely off. Step 5. Turn off the water supply to the water heater. Locate the water shutoff valve on the water heater and turn it clockwise until it stops. This valve is typically located on the top of the water heater. Word of caution. The CDC advises to not drink water that has an unusual odor or color, or that you suspect might be contaminated with fuel or toxic chemicals. This water cannot be made safe, so you must find a different source of water for your needs. Step 6. Let air into the water heater. Open the relief valve, which is located on the side of the tank. You can do this by flipping the handle so that it sticks straight up or out, or by turning on hot water spigots in the main living area or upstairs in your home. This will help release water from the water heater. Locate the drain valve at the bottom of the water heater and release water from the tank as needed. Place a clean container under the drain valve spigot to capture the water and turn the spigot or screw of your water heater's drain valve to the left. Be careful, the water may be very hot. Wearing gloves or an oven mitt and safety glasses are recommended. Turn the spigot or screw to the right to stop the flow of water. Repeat this process as often as needed until the tank is empty. You will need to treat or filter any water used for drinking, food preparation, and hygiene. Water heater maintenance tips. Water heater maintenance plays a critical role in the availability and quality of water contained in your water heater. Properly brace your heater to the wall so that it is more likely to remain connected to the wall and your water system. Flush your water heater annually. Doing this can significantly decrease the amount of sediment buildup and may improve the quality of the water in your water heater.